Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure Slovak skills with Glossika, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Glossika website. Create an account if you don't have one already. Log in to your account. Navigate to the course selection section. Choose Slovak from the list of available languages. Begin by reviewing the course materials provided. Familiarize yourself with the layout and structure of the lessons. Start the first lesson by clicking on it. Listen carefully to the audio prompts provided in the lesson. Repeat the phrases out loud for effective practice. Use the pause button if you need extra time to think. Complete the exercises that follow each audio prompt. Keep track of your progress after each lesson. Take notes on vocabulary and grammar points that you find challenging. Utilize the review feature to reinforce your learning. Set a daily practice schedule to stay consistent. Join the Glossika community for additional support and tips. Engage with fellow learners for motivation and exchange of ideas. Feel free to revisit any lesson to solidify your understanding. Stay patient and persistent as you navigate through the content. Enjoy the journey of learning Slovak with Glossika. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.